Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. This is my 1976 Mercedes 240D, original paint. It's a four-door. See, even the hubcaps are original. And it's got round headlights with the fog lamps. And I love the Beatles so much, I had my plate number right there. This is the passenger side. And this is the back. As you can see, it's got the 4BTLES plate number. And I'm gonna show you the engine. That's the inside. I even have a corduroy seats. And that's the instrument panel. And look at the steering wheel. Really big. It's like for a 18-wheeler truck. And it's got manual window knobs. It doesn't have power locks. It has vacuum locks. And the engine, it's a 4-cylinder diesel engine. It's got an auxiliary fan. It's got air conditioning. It needs a big battery because before you start it, because diesel engines do not have spark plugs, they have what you call glow plugs. So I'm gonna show you how to start it. First, you turn the key to the right, that to number 2. There's a knob here on the left. It says pull, start, push, stop. Just put it in the middle. And there's like a small window right there. You'll see like it's gonna be red. It's gonna be real hot, like a lighter. And once you see that really red light up, let me just put this down. If you can see, it's really red right there. See that round with the window there? And you pull it. You pull the start knob, and there it is. And that's how you start my Mercedes 1976 240D. And that's the light knob right there. You turn it to the right. And that's the sound of a diesel engine. And as you can see, it does not smoke. Alright, I hope you enjoy my car. Thank you.